Maharashtra government is asking schools to sing the full version of Vande Mataram today, that is on November 7th, to commemorate the 150th anniversary of the song's composition by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. As part of the Veer Gatha program 5.0, all schools are requested to sing Vande Mataram song at 9 a.m. today, that is 7th November 2025.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsnam Pulakitayamini, Pulya Kusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Koti Koti Kantha Kala Kala Ninada Karale, Koti Koti Bhujai Dhrita Khara Kharavale, Abala Kyano Marat Bole, Bahubaladharini Namami Tarini, Vipudalavarini Mataram, Vande Mataram. Tumi Vidya, Tumi Dharma, Tumi Riddhi,